Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you like to borrow things from others?
It all depends on the circumstances. If I only need something for a short time, I'm usually happy to borrow it from someone else. However, if I believe I will need the item for an extended period of time, I prefer to purchase it myself.
Question number 2. Do you like to lend things to others?
I do, indeed. I'm happy to lend someone something as long as I trust them and am confident they will take care of it.
Question number 3. Have you borrowed books from others?
Yes, I have previously borrowed books from others. Reading is an excellent way to learn, and I enjoy borrowing books from friends and family to expand my horizons.
Question number 4. Have you ever lent a book to others?
Yes, I have. When I finish a book, I frequently lend it to someone else. It's a fantastic way to share knowledge and connect with others.
Question number 5. Do you mind if someone asks to borrow something from you?
No, I'm not bothered. I'm happy to assist someone as long as I trust them and am confident they will take care of the item.
Question number 6. Do you think it's okay to borrow money from friends?
I believe it depends on the circumstances. If it's for a good cause and the friend is happy with the arrangement, I think it's fine. However, I believe it is critical to ensure that expectations are clear and that the loan is repaid on time.
Question number 7. Would you lend money to someone else?
It all depends on the circumstances. I would lend money to someone else if I trusted the person and felt comfortable with the arrangement. However, it is critical to ensure that expectations are clear and that the loan is repaid on time.
Question number 8. Would you let someone borrow your mobile phone?
It all depends on the circumstances. I'd be willing to lend someone my phone if I trusted them and felt comfortable with the arrangement. However, I would like to ensure that they are responsible with it and that it is returned in the same condition in which it was borrowed.